Umaga po sa inyong lahat at welcome to this channel, Israel Hotel Housekeeper Channel. Marami po kasing nagtatanong ng name ng channel ko at hinahanap nila yung nasaan yung channel ko. Nag-decide po ako na baguhin na yung title ng aking channel sa YouTube at gagawin ko po itong Israel Housekeeper Diaries kasi po iba-iba pong content ang aking i-upload dito sa channel na ito. At yung Israel Hotel Housekeeper Channel ay masyado pong mahaba para i-type sa cellphone. So, binawasan ko ng ginawa ko lang na 3 words, eh, Israel Housekeeper Channel. From Israel Hotel Housekeeper Channel, my current channel, I want to change this into other title. The title is Israel Housekeeper Diaries. Yan po yung name ng channel ko. Sa susunod na mga vlog, yun na po ang makikita niyong title ng aking channel at lalagyan ko po yun ng aking picture. Bye-bye! Please continue watching. See you on my next new channel name.